Welcome to an extraordinary tour in the heart of Dubai, where modern design reaches new heights. Today, we step inside a truly awe-inspiring property, a $28 million modern mansion that defies convention, with a floating glass design and a rooftop infinity pool that seems to merge with the skyline. Join me as we explore every stunning detail, from the architectural concept to the luxurious interiors and everything in between. The first thing you notice is the striking facade. Expansive glass panels wrap around the structure, giving it that light-filled floating effect. Floor-to-ceiling glazing, cantilevered volumes, open terraces, all of it designed to blur the boundaries between inside and out. Gray steel, white concrete, natural stone accents, a palette chosen for sleek minimalism, yet inviting warmth. The architecture here is not just about scale, it's about presence. Set in one of Dubai's most exclusive neighborhoods, this home stands out as both landmark and sanctuary. As you arrive, the motor court opens via a smart gated driveway and you approach the glass canopied entrance. The front door itself is oversized frameless glass, giving you a preview of the volumes inside. Step into the foyer and you're greeted by double-height ceilings, a floating staircase, and natural light pouring in from above. This is the moment where architecture announces itself. You're not just entering a home, you're entering an experience. Once inside, the floor plan unfolds with an effortless flow. The ground level features a vast open-plan living area, seamlessly connecting to the dining zone and state-of-the-art kitchen. Glass walls slide open to terraces on both sides, bringing the outdoors in and extending the living space. Throughout, you'll find polished concrete floors, minimal joinery, and integrated lighting, creating a backdrop that lets furniture, art, and views shine. Upstairs, the bedrooms and private zones are carefully curated, with each suite enjoying its own balcony or courtyard, maximizing light, privacy, and connection to the landscape. The floating glass design is where this home really makes its mark. Huge floor-to-ceiling glass walls wrap around cantilevered volumes, giving the impression that parts of the building are hovering in mid-air. The steel and concrete structure has been deliberately recessed or hidden, allowing the glazing to appear weightless. Inside, the glass invites panoramic views of Dubai's skyline and the shimmering pool beyond. Architecturally, this kind of design is challenging. High-performance glazing, thermal insulation, bespoke steel frameworks, but the payoff is a home that feels open, light, and uniquely modern. Perhaps the ultimate showstopper, the rooftop infinity pool. Perched atop the mansion, the pool stretches to the edge and visually disappears into the horizon, creating an endless blue reflection of the sky and city beyond. Around it, you'll find sun loungers, a shaded seating area, and a glass-fenced terrace that ensures unobstructed views. This rooftop is more than a pool deck. It's an elevated social space, perfect for sunset cocktails, al fresco dinners, and entertaining on a grand scale. It's a home made for modern luxury living, yet grounded in the city's vibrant energy. As we wrap up this tour, remember, this $28 million masterpiece is more than bricks and glass. It's a vision, an architectural statement, a lifestyle brought to life. If you enjoyed this inside look, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next luxury home tour. And let me know in the comments, which feature of this Dubai mansion was your favorite? The floating glass design, the rooftop infinity pool, or maybe the interior flow and finishes? Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring the extraordinary.